Hi, I'm Jared Nelson from the Investing Channel, and welcome to The Spill. Look up disappointing investment in the dictionary, and Uber is sure to be on the list. For all the hype and growth, the company never turned a profit, until recently. While it wasn't huge, Uber hit two major milestones. First, it achieved positive net income in June of 2021. Second, it generated $614 million in cash from operations in September. To be fair, June's number was buoyed by a gain of $1.912 billion on the sale of an investment. Still, it marked a significant shift in investor sentiment. With 719 page views from financial pros over the last month, Uber Technologies became the second most searched software application stock behind Accela Technologies, beating out hot stocks like Shopify and Digital Turbine. We dug into the most recent earnings call and took a broader look at Uber's performance over the past few years. And we uncovered something rather interesting. Now, when you step back and think about it, Uber is just a glorified taxi service. And yet, what it created was so much bigger. It wasn't until 2019 the company went public. And after years of hype, the actual performance was a bit of a letdown. In a nutshell, Uber uses a proprietary app to bring together drivers and riders for ride-sharing. Initially, the company met resistance from local and state governments. However, they worked through those issues in most places. Today, the company provides ride-sharing, meal preparation and delivery, as well as some limited freight transportation services. Although hampered by the pandemic, Uber's growth has been nothing short of phenomenal. The company managed to nearly quadruple its revenue in less than a decade. However, it wasn't until recently that the company managed to eke out a profit on an adjusted EBITDA basis. The good news is that management expects the company to deliver 7% margins as a percentage of gross bookings, which is 25% of revenue by 2024, while becoming free cash flow positive by the end of 2022. That's a significant shift for the company, who's operated at a loss since its inception. In our opinion, this is a 7 out of 10 stock. We can see a clear path for the company to become profitable in a big way. However, it could take years to realize the dream. At the moment, it's more a question of opportunity cost than anything else. Uber can and should achieve superb results in a matter of years, including profitability and cash flow. But like we said, it is still several years away. That said, it's tough to ignore shares priced below the IPO when the company is tantalizingly close to an inflection point in its history. Click and subscribe to the Spill newsletter to get the full breakdown.